Namaskar, good evening. You're watching Breaking Ground and I'm Swati Joshi. Let me first tell you what is the top focus at 5. Rape is not a bada mamla for Samajwadi Party MP Ramji Lal Suman, but what's even more shocking is that the party supremo Akhilesh Yadav has backed this insensitivity. Then we'll shift our focus to fear-mongering over the Waqf issue. Owaisi and others again demand people to hit the streets. But 15 kilometers away from Owaisi's Hyderabad residence, futures of 50,000 people are at stake as the Waqf has claimed their land. And later on Janata's Take, we speak to people to tell you how the skyrocketing gold prices are pinching Indian middle class pockets. Gold touches an unprecedented high. Is the Indian middle class prepared? Let's now get you the stories in detail. Is rape too small an issue? A 12-year-old Dalit girl was raped in Uttar Pradesh, but for Samajwadi Party MP, the rape of a Dalit girl is not a bada mamla. This is the same party whose president once said, "Ladke hain, galti ho jati hai." Nearly a decade later, boys will be boys mindset strikes again. Samajwadi Party MP Ramji Lal Suman went to meet the victim's family, but when he was asked if his party chief Akhilesh Yadav will also visit the family, he seemingly dismissed the severity of the crime and went on to say that it was not a big enough issue to merit Akhilesh Yadav's visit. First, listen into that statement.
कल अखिलेश जी आपसे मिलने के लिए आए और आप एक संदेश की तरह आए हैं। क्या राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष आपके इस पीड़ित परिवार से मिलने के लिए या क्या कोई मदद करेंगे?
क्या आप बच्चों जैसी बातें करते हैं? कल वहाँ हम मिलने आए थे, आज हम आए हैं। पार्टी के महामंत्री हमारे पार्टी के सभी साथी हैं। इतना बड़ा मामला नहीं है। इस परिवार की जो मदद हमसे हो सकती है, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी की आवश्यकता नहीं है। इस परिवार की जो मदद हो सकती है हम जरूर मदद करेंगे और हमने कह दिया है कि परिवार के लोग हमारे संपर्क में रहें। जो अधिक से अधिक मदद हम कर सकते हैं जरूर करेंगे।
And if that was not enough, we have some breaking inputs coming in about how the Samajwadi Party president, the Supremo, has reacted. He in fact has come out to defend this insensitive statement of his MP. And he goes on to ask what really is wrong in that statement given by Ramji Lal Suman. Akhilesh Yadav further goes on to blame the BJP and says it's the BJP that's trying to find excuses, but there is nothing wrong in the statement of Ramji Lal Suman. Listen into this shocker.
रामजी लाल सुमन जी ने जो बात कही है वो सामान्य तरीके से इसी तरह वो बोलते हैं। उन्होंने कोई गलत नहीं बोला। उन्होंने कहा कि हम उनके प्रतिनिधि हैं राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी के और हम जा रहे हैं। और मैं ये भी कहता हूं अपनी पार्टी के लोगों से कि जहां घटना हो वहां जाइए, आप लोग पहुंचिए और जरूरत पड़ने पे हम लोगों को जानकारी दीजिए, तो हम बड़े लीडर्स का एक डेलीगेशन बना करके भेज देंगे और संभव होगा तो हम यहां बुला करके मिल भी लेंगे। अगर उन्होंने बोलने के तरीके से कुछ और बोल दिया और जिसका आप मतलब कुछ और निकाल रहे हैं, बीजेपी को रास्ता ढूंढ रही, बीजेपी की क्या कमी निकाल रहे हैं, क्या गलत कहा उन्होंने? तो अगर उन्होंने ये कह दिया कि उनके आने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो क्या गलत कह दिया उन्होंने?
Well, BJP has called it another display of the ladke hain galti ho jati hai tendency. A reference to the boys will be boys statement by Mulayam Singh Yadav earlier. The party is also questioning Akhilesh Yadav's PDA hypocrisy. BJP says same Dalits whose vote the Samajwadi Party seeks are now victims of its apathy.
समाजवादी पार्टी की पुरानी पद्धति रीति नीति रही है कि लड़के हैं, लड़कों से गलतियां हो जाती है। रेपिस्टों को लेकर के पहले भी नरम दिल रहे हैं, मुलायम रहे हैं और इसीलिए समाजवादी पार्टी के लिए रेप एक छोटी घटना होगी। इसीलिए रेप को लेकर के समाजवादी पार्टी के सांसद रामजी लाल सुमन के इस बयान से कोई हैरानी नहीं होनी चाहिए। लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी की योगी आदित्यनाथ सरकार ने इन रेपिस्टों पर आज बहुत कठोरता से कार्रवाई की है और इस मामले में भी 48 घंटे के भीतर ही मुख्य आरोपी की गिरफ्तारी करने का काम किया है।
Let's open this up and go across to our guests. We are joined by Sharad Trivedi, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have Ashwini Kumar Mishra, leader of the Congress, and Pooja Mishra, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Pooja Mishra, is this not a big issue? Is this not a serious crime? Your MP says itna bada mamla nahi hai. And what's shocking is that Akhilesh Yadav is backing this insensitivity, saying sirf tone different tha. There's nothing wrong in what he said.
I think the question we are raising here is wrong. Being a female, being a woman, what we should be raising, we should be asking the question why these incidents are escalating in Uttar Pradesh, why our country is becoming unsafe for these females. Can you just question yourself when as a parent, when as a sister, when as a brother, when you allow your daughter to go outside, aren't you scared? The people are getting scared.
Pooja Mishra, but your own MP says itna bada मामला नहीं है. इतना बड़ा मामला नहीं है, then how are you questioning No, 1 second.
Swati,
First,
if
the
you don't
party
wanna-
needs
don't
to
want me
decide.
to, answer the
First, the
question,
party
then
needs to
don't
talk
ask
about
me.
the severity of the crime. On one hand, your MP is saying इतना बड़ा मामला नहीं है, and on the other hand, you're saying this is not the right question. The question needs to be asked to the government, of course. But your own MP is diluting the entire
Swati,
case.
I think catching the statement is not right. What we meant to say was that he was there as a representative of Samajwadi Party, as Akhilesh Yadav can't come to every channel. That's why I'm sitting here as the spokesperson of Samajwadi Party and answering your question. So as the representative of Samajwadi Party, he went there. What important is that he's asking for the justice. When we'll go on the statement, then the former chief minister of Manipur, he said what he said. He said ये छोटी मोटी घटना है, ऐसे यहाँ पे होते रहता
हाँ,
है.
तो Pooja Mishra, what was the stand of the opposition back then when he said that? So when he said that, what did the opposition say? Did the opposition say that no, he got it? No, he got the tone wrong. This is not what he meant to say. This is not what he meant to say. We misinterpreted what he said. Did the opposition say that back then?
Ask this question why there is lackluster law.
That's what I'm saying, Pooja Mishra. Ask that question. Highlight the issue in a big way. Highlight the issue in a big way and ask these questions to the government. Instead, your MP is downplaying the entire thing, saying कि इतना बड़ा मामला नहीं है.
You are the fourth pillar of democracy. You are the fourth pillar of democracy. When he said, he meant to say that he is there as a representative.
No, we also confronted him. We also confronted him. And we asked him, क्या ऐसा आपको कहना चाहिए था? क्या ऐसा आपको कहना चाहिए था? Your MP refused to even acknowledge and apologize. Yes, he kept saying that, we will go and visit all the victims everywhere whenever we hear of such things. But when he was, 1 second, Pooja, allow me to finish my question, Pooja. We all heard what he said. We all heard what he said and how he thinks it's a small issue, not such a bada mamla.
Swati ji, again I'm saying this is not the issue. The issue is lack of luster law. You know that. This is the issue.
And I am agreeing with you. And I am agreeing with you. That's what I'm saying. This should be highlighted in a big way. This should be highlighted in a big way, but your MP is trying to dilute it by saying whether Akhilesh Yadav will visit or not visit depends on how bada the mamla is.
It will continue. So I think you need to understand the motto. The motto of the Samajwadi Party is to provide justice to that victim.
And the same Samajwadi Party. 1 second, we've also heard ladke hain galti ho jati from the same Samajwadi Party, Pooja. But let me bring in Sharad Trivedi. Sharad Trivedi, Pooja says that's not the right question. Let's not, even talk about what the MP Ramji Lal Suman has said. What he meant was that we stand with the victim. He's demanding justice. And your party is responsible for law and order. Ye aapki galti hai. It's your responsibility.
Swati, you see that this is a party which is a strong party and they follow their leader. They are following Honorable Mulayam Singh, who said कि बच्चों से गलतियां हो जाती हैं. It's not a big issue. Rape is a very ordinary matter. And today even Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav ji himself has said it. कि उन्होंने कौन सी बड़ी बात हो गई थी? उन्होंने क्या गलत बात कही थी? बिल्कुल ठीक कहा था. So the problem is not the party. The problem is their ideology. That the ideology is crime. When a party which has beaten up its own secretary level, a rank officer, the chairman Noida Authority, Honorable Mr. Atiq Ahmed, MP had gone to beat him up. Atiq Ahmed had skinned a person alive in Allahabad. There was a fish pond made for Mukhtar Ansari so that he could have fresh fishes in the prison. So that is the state of mind of this party. During whose cause tenure, DSP was shot dead.
Okay, all right. I want to bring in Ashwini Kumar Mishra of the Congress as well. Where does the Congress party stand? Kuch galat nahi kaha? Is this not a bada मामला, Ashwini Kumar ji?
Swati ji, fourth pillar of democracy is playing for BJP. This is the classic case of media fielding for Bharatiya Janata Party. Look at how Audacity Sharad Trivedi is not talking about the rape case itself, but talking about, let's take an example. I say A for Apple, B for BJP. Now I'm talking something about BJP and will pick me up that you said A for Apple as well. Here is the classic case of what is happening. He said in terms of, Swati, let me finish.
Finish your point, go ahead.
Yeah. So what he clearly said is that when he was asked that will you give some compensation? Will you help family? Will Akhilesh Yadav come for that? He said it's not that amount itself that helping a conversation, helping in terms of compensation is not that big that Akhilesh Yadav has to come for that. We are unable to do that, and that is what Akhilesh Yadav also clarified, that I have requested all my party workers to go on the ground, report cases. We will help all possible ways. The number of cases happening, the number of rape cases on Dalits in India are increasing so in numbers. Do you think that the kind
Then
of
Ashwini
number
Kumar,
of
let me ask you, and this is what I told Pooja as well. Irrespective, when you talk about PDA and you say that this is our vote bank, and you also gave credit to the formula that yes, sir, you performed really well in Lok Sabha because your PDA formula worked, irrespective of where it is happening, even if one case has happened, shouldn't you then expect people who speak about PDA to go there and highlight it in a big way? I agree with you there. That's what I told Pooja as well. Highlight this in a big way and question the law and order. Instead of downplaying, saying इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं है और बड़ा मामला नहीं है.
Again, you are just misquoting him. He did not say.
We heard what he said, Ashwini Kumar Mishra.
Yeah, you heard. You repeat the question also. When the question was asked about the compensation and help, he said Akhilesh Yadav need not to come.
Perhaps what you're saying is what
Not perhaps. This
one
is
second.
exactly
What you're saying. One second. Allow me to finish. आप अभी conclusions मत draw कीजिए क्योंकि आपके जो यूपी इंचार्ज हैं उन्होंने खुद condemn किया इस चीज को, अश्विनी कुमार मिश्रा. So perhaps you don't know the stand that has been taken by the party. But thank you so much, Pooja and gentlemen, for joining us. We are moving.